Look what I bought. A bread machine. I can still make it faster and better myself. We'll see. Hey, I'm eating already.
Who's getting the brushes? Oh, yeah.
Same if I win.
You trust me like 100%.
I cannot help you. The rules are the rules.
That feel good? Okay, all right. We see that you like this.
Sweetheart, it has character.
Mm-hmm. Hang on.
Well, look, you gotta treat her right.
Who's a good boy?
Fiddle with it, like the heel. You gotta slide the thing all the way to cool first, and then really jam it back to heat. Trust me, I'm very good with machines. Still punching the dough, eh, loser?
I don't know what David's got on in there playing on the TV, so I apologize.
It's not just the heater. The mechanic seems to think it's going to need some major repairs. There's your problem right there. You're talking to mechanics. I think I'm baking already. I love the smell of fresh bread in the morning.
Oh, yeah.
Smells like victory. Okay, look. Could we maybe return the car and...
Does it feel good? Yeah. Look at that face. Look at your face. Look at that face of that angel right there. He's so handsome. Yeah, she's got big claws too. Look at that. This cat trusts me like 100%. I can carry him like a baby on his back. Does that feel good? Oh, yeah. Scratchy, scratchy, scratchy. Okay.
It's about the will, isn't it? Deborah doesn't like the Valiant. I can't blame Deborah. I mean, if I was married to somebody who wanted to hold on to their old make-out mobile, I'd feel the same way.
Make-out mobile. Alright, well, anyway. Look at how long that cat is. Who's the stretchy? Very lucky to brush his belly without him attacking me or something. He's a good boy.
So, Robert, you're saying that Ray wants to hang on to this car because that's what...
Look at how big he is.
Lucky?
Get you. Oh yeah. You gonna kick your leg up? Okay. Alright, everyone. Hope you enjoyed watching me brush Buddy. Alright, well, anyway, God bless and much love.